Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on your device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those 4 codes which I will present to you today. And let me begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the Diagnostics. It is *#426#*##*#. And as you can see, we are in a Diagnostics. Here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level. What's more, after tapping on events, we can check some other info, some technical info, I would say. We can also show advanced view just by tapping on this 3 dots icon and tapping on advanced view. Actually, nothing happened, but after tapping on the status again, we can see much more details like the network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *#225###. And here we've got the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to if you want to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *#4636#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing menu, so here we've got the phone information, usage statistics or Wi-Fi info. So let me pick the phone information, for example, and here we can check the info like the email number, card network, data service or data network type. What's more, we can run ping test here, just tap here and you've got the results. After tapping on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, you can also select ratio band or enable data connection. Let's get back and let's check usage statistics, and here we've got the list of actually all processes and all apps which are installed on your device, and right now they are sorted by usage time. So for example, we can check that we've been using the settings for almost 35 minutes. 35 minutes. What's more, we can change the sorting type, just up here, and we can set the last time used or app name. So obviously after choosing, for example, app name, then all the apps and processes will be listed alphabetically. Let's get back and let's check the Wi-Fi info. And here we've got the API, the configuration and the status. So let's tap on the status, for example, we can refresh it. And here we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test here also. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.